Good morning, Tigers. Welcome to week 35. This week, our schedule will remain the same. You know you have must-dos, choose to do, and aspire to do's on your tracker. Your must-dos for reading every single day during Foundations lesson and reading rotations are Foundations. You're here now, so you got a good start. Read Works on Monday and Tuesday, and Reading Progress on Wednesday and Thursday. Followed by the third thing in reading is iStation. Some of you are going to be finishing your assignments. The rest of you, great job in finishing your assignments. You will log in and go to your normal activities in iStation. Remember, our goal is to get to those writing rules section, and I think that unlocks at cycle 14. You're almost there, Tiger, so stay focused. Let's get started on today's activity, shall we? Hello, my friends, and welcome to week 35. This is activity 2. Are you ready to use what you showed yesterday to grow today? I'm excited to see that you only have to spotlight a few errors today to learn these words. So let's get started. Remember, for this lesson, you are going to need your Foundations notebook, your writing tool, and of course your growth mindset. When you write, you would like to sit in the writing position. All right, we have to form our letters straight. Yesterday, you should have started your week 35 section when you did the Kahoot practice, right? The Kahoot show what you know. If yesterday you made a list of 10 words, today you're going to use that list to see what you got right and what you got wrong. Remember, you probably got most of the chunks correct, so you're only going to refine the chunk that you missed. All right? Isn't that cool? So let's get started, shall we? Remember, when we come across a word we're reading, I'm not going to say the word because I want you to read these words by chunk. All right? So you got to chunk them. What are our two questions? Multisyllable two-step. How many vowels do you see? Are they together or apart? What do you notice? What do you wonder about this word? This letter at the end is making a vowel sound, isn't it? This letter at the end makes a vowel sound. So technically you see two vowel sounds. All right? That means there's going to be two syllables. All right? So blend to write each chunk and then read the word. If you want to check to make sure you got your chunks correct, remember, you can clap it out. I'll see you on the next slide. Oh, okay, next word. Let's follow our steps. How many vowels do you see? Are they together or apart? Remember, if you did not chunk these words by syllable yesterday, you are doing that today. Today, your evidence is to turn in 10 words broken down into chunks or into syllables. So if yesterday you wrote your words all in one line, today you need to chunk them, all right? So if I see 3 vowels and they're apart, what do I know, Aria? That I'm going to write 3 different lines and blend to write. Remember, we are not saying d, if anymore. We are saying diff, ent as we write those chunks on the line. All right? Here we go. Next word. Let's follow our steps. Multisyllable two-step. How many vowels do you see? Are they together or apart? I'm just going to put this here because you should have noticed this already, right? Because of course we want to look at the vowels and where they are in the word, but in doing that, we're going to see that we have suffix ing, ing, and at the end of a word that stays together. So that's our base word. Good luck. Okay, we're on to our next word. Multisyllable two-step. How many vowels do you see? Are they together or apart? Most of the time, vowels that are together stay together. Remember, that's not always the rule, right? So, if you're blending to write this word, you need to figure out, is this 3 syllables or 2 syllables? Good luck. I look forward to seeing what your idea is. All right, multisyllable two steps. How many vowels do you see? Are they together or apart? We only see one vowel, but what do we see in this word? An apostrophe. That means this word is a contraction. One syllable, but what's the word? And do you know what 2 words made up this word? Okay, multisyllable two-step. How many vowels do you see? Are they together or apart? Something you should notice, isn't this a vowel team or a R-controlled vowel? Did you notice that? So this isn't A or O, this is OR. Just wanted to give you a little hint there, because that's important. Remember, as you're writing these chunks, on that first line, what should you say as you write that chunk? Important. That's what should be coming out of your mouth as you say that. Make sure your neighbor is doing that. Thank you. Multisyllable two-step. How many vowels do you see? Are they together or apart? If you are blending to write this word and you said I right here, remember, you might want to flex it and see if that's another word that you know. From the I, what's the other sound for this letter? It could be I or I. Don't forget your flexes strategy. Good luck. All right, multisyllable two-step. How many vowels do you see? Are they together or apart? I think yesterday you probably knew this one, so you probably already mastered this word because it's a 1-syllable word. Basic sounds, nothing irregular, and no teams. So good job if you got this right yesterday. Let's go on to the next one. Multisyllable two-step. How many vowels do you see? Are they together or apart? We only see one vowel, which means it's only 1 syllable. Blend to write that word, and then read the word. Remember, do not say p, at. Say plan, pull that whole syllable. All right, multisyllable two steps. How many vowels do you see? When you're looking for the how many vowels you see, you should also be glancing to see if there's anything like a suffix ed at the end of the word. All right. How many vowels do you see? Usually that means there's 2, but that's a suffix. So sometimes suffix ed can stay if it doesn't have a vowel sound. It could stay 1 syllable. Try to blend it with 1 syllable. This is an open syllable though. Makes the I sound. Good luck. See you in a moment. Oops. We did say that, didn't we? Okay, now you should have all 10 words. How did you do yesterday? Today, for evidence, you are going to turn in a picture of your 10 high-frequency words broken down into syllables. If it's only one syllable, I expect to see it on the line. Before you turn it in, I want you to read the word and clap it out. So if the word is busy, and you have B on one line, U on another line, S on a line, and Y on a line, you did not chunk that word. Busy. How are you going to write that on 2 lines if it's only 2 syllables? Some of these have a lot of vowels. Some of these only have 1 vowel. Did you read the word and check your chunks? That's what I will be looking for today as evidence for Foundations Activity 2. Good luck, my friends.